Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and former President Donald Trump may be in a nightmare scenario right now with one of the defendants in his case possibly becoming a witness, and that could really, really hurt the president. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. The former president is on edge right now, as reports are coming in that Mark Meadows may actually testify against him. Now, the reason that this is, and we've thought about this for a while, but the reason it's coming to the fore right now is because, well, let's start with Mark Meadows was an unindicted co-conspirator in the federal case brought by Jack Smith. And now, in the Georgia case, apparently in his testimony, he said that he did whatever he did because he was scared of backlash from former President Donald Trump. Let's take a look at the report.
Racketeering case, a case in which the allegations are you're part of a criminal enterprise, is to say, no, I'm not. That's that guy's. And in this case, again, if you're a Mark Meadows or a Kathy Latham, two of the people who are saying, get me out of the state court, get me in the federal, part of what they're arguing is, look, I was doing what I was told to do by the President of the United States and by attorneys. That's a way of distancing yourself. That's not a way of saying nothing wrong happened here. There's a lot of legal incentive to do that. And I think to Garrett's point, there's going to be a really interesting and important decision made in whether not just Mark Meadows, who, by the way, in the indictment is alleged to have really stood in the position of the campaign and said to the state of Georgia, we'll help you with campaign funds, speed the way in which you're looking at these votes to try to speed the count. That's not someone acting as a chief of staff to a sitting president. That's someone acting for a partisan and a politician. That's not the people's business. That's a political business. The same Kathy Latham doesn't even have that argument because she didn't even serve in the White House. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how this plays out when that judge decides whether or not to allow removal. And that will be an indicator of whether or not Donald Trump is going to have some success or failure at doing the same thing.
And Garrett Hakes, thank you very much. Maya, if you would stay with me because we have breaking news in Alabama.
Now, Meadows could be a devastating witness against Trump, even if he lies. And I'm not suggesting he lies, but there's a scene in Goodfellas where the defense attorney is talking to Henry Hill and he says, a rat will do whatever they can do to survive. Well, the inference there is that they'll bring innocent people down with them to save themselves. And, of course, that's not what Henry Hill did. But the inference is that does happen. Well, Mark Meadows could be trying to shove Trump under the bus here in a big way. Meadows could be a devastating witness against Trump. He was the chief of staff. And the person they really want in this Georgia case is Trump. They don't care about the 18 other defendants. The reason they have 18 other defendants, in my opinion, is to get them to testify against Trump, to put the pressure on them. If Meadows does this, his name is mud. His legacy is destroyed, in my opinion. But I want to know your guys' opinion, so let me know in the comments. Also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.